Okay, we're going to take this right back to basics. So we're going to add 23 plus 5. So tens and units, we've got 2 tens and 3 units, and then we've got 5 units. So 23 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. And then the 2 we're not doing anything to, so we've got 28. So straight back to junior school. And for the next one, make this a little bit different. So we'll do 34 plus 41. Again, tens and units. So we've got 3 tens and 4 units, plus 4 tens and 1 unit. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Hopefully this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now let's add the hundreds. So do 235 plus 23. So we have to line up the 23 in the correct column. So it's 2 tens and 3 units. So then we do 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5. And the 2 we're not doing anything to, so just 2. So we end up with 258. Slightly different now, 347 plus 25. Line them up. So we've got 2 tens and 5 units. Add them up, 7 plus 5 is 12. So we can't squeeze the 12 into the units column. So we put a 2 in the units column, and we carry the 1 10 into the tens column. So now we have 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7, and we're not doing anything to the 3, so we have 372. Next, a bit trickier, 349 plus 36. So hundreds, tens and units, 349 plus. And the 36 goes in the tens and the units column. Then we have 9 plus 6 is 15. Again, we can't squeeze the 15 into the units, so we put a 5 units in here, and we carry the 1 into the tens column. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. And then the 3 we're not doing anything to, so 385. Now we'll make it slightly trickier. 249 plus 873. Again, we've got hundreds, tens and units. Put the numbers in the correct column. 249 plus 873. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again, we can't squeeze it in the units, so put 2 units and carry the 1. 4 plus 7 plus 1 is 12, so we're going to put the 2 in the tens column and carry the 1 to the hundreds. 2 plus 8 plus 1 is 11. Put the 1 in the hundreds column and carry the 1 in the next column, which is thousands. So our answer is 1,122. Again, slightly different. 275 plus 18 plus 406. You can do this several ways. Do it in steps. 275 plus 18. So the 18 is the tens and the units. 5 plus 8 is 13. So put the 3 in the units, carry the 1 into the tens column. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. And the 2 we're not doing anything to, so 293. Now we can add the 406. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 2 plus 4 is 6. Or you can do it all in one step. So 275 plus 18 plus 406, putting all the numbers in the correct columns. So now we can do 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 5 is 19. So 9 units carry the 1 into the tens column. 7 and 1 is 9. And 2 plus 4 is 6. 699. I prefer doing it in steps, the first method I did. I think in the second method, there's more opportunity to make mistakes. The last two that I'm going to do is 387 plus 946 plus 85. So again, line up the numbers in the correct columns and do it in steps. 7 plus 6 is 13, 3 carry the 1, 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13, so 3 tens carry the 1 into the hundreds, and then we get 1 plus 9 plus 3 is 13, 300 and carry the 1 to the thousands. Now add the 85 and put the numbers in the correct column. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1 into the tens column, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1,000. So 1,418. Or you can do this in one step, which I wouldn't do, and you'll get the same answer. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 5 is 18, carry the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 1 is 21. We can't squeeze a 21 in. So put down the 1 and carry the 2 into the next column. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 1,418. Again, I prefer the first method, but do whatever suits you. I hope this was useful. There are lots of interactive practice questions and examples on effectiveeducation.online. Adding decimals. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you can already add, or you've at least watched the basic addition. So we'll do 3.5 plus 2.4. And really there's nothing more complicated to this than basic addition. So this column here is our units column, of course. And then this column here after the decimal point is 1/10 of a unit, so it's our tenths column. So we've got 5/10 plus 4/10, which is 9. So simply, we're just saying 5 plus 4 is 9, the same as basic addition. Put the decimal point in, 3 plus 2 is 5. Easy peasy. Another one, 18.7 plus 3.1. Again, line them up in the units column, so the decimal points will automatically line up. So we've got our tens column and our units column, and then this column after the decimal point is our tenths column. So we've got 7/10 plus 1/10 is 8/10. Put in the decimal point, 8 plus 3 is 11. We can't squeeze 11 in here, so we put 1 in the units column and carry the 1 into the tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 21.8. So the next one, a little bit different, 18.5 plus 4.8. Again, line them up with the decimal point. So we've got our tens and our units and our tenths column. 5 plus 8 is 13. We can't squeeze the 13 in here, so we put 3/10 and carry the 1 into the units column. We put the decimal point, and then we've got 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is also 13. Put down the 3, carry the 1 into the next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 23.3. And another one just to reinforce this, 37.5 plus 14.8. Line them up in the correct column. So line up the decimal points. 5 plus 8 is 13. Put down the 3, carry the 1 into the units column. Put your decimal point in. 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1 into the tens column. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 52.3. All right, moving on. Something slightly different again. 24.6 plus 3.47. Line them up in the correct columns. So here we have a 7, and we have nothing above it. You can put a 0 in here and say 0 plus 7 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10, so put down the 0. Carry the 1 into the next column, put in your decimal point. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. And then to the 2. We're not doing anything to, so just 2, or you could put a 0 below the 2 if you prefer. Again, slightly different now. 13.25 plus 8.6. Line them up in the correct column. So line up the decimal points, and then here we've got 8.6, and we can put a 0 in here if it helps. We don't need to. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. Put the decimal point in. 3 plus 8 is 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1 into the next column, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And this technique, once you understand it, you can just do it, and do it, and do it, and it works all the time. Now on this one, 3.451 plus 314.6, we line up the units column or the decimal points, whichever way you want. It's the same thing. And then in here we can put 2 zeros if it helps. So we get 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10. So put down the 0 and put the 1 into the next column. Put your decimal point in. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. And then we're not adding anything to the 1. And we're not adding anything to the 3, so 318.051. Next one, slightly different, 29.47 plus 0.006. Line up the decimal points, so we can put a 0 above the 6 or not, doesn't really matter. So we've got 6 by itself, so just 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 0 is 4. Put the decimal point in. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2, we're not doing anything to, so just 2. But you can put zeros in here if it helps you. There are loads of interactive practice questions and examples on effectiveeducation.online. There's a link below so you can practice this. But if you find this tricky, go back to basic edition and do more examples. Do practice, practice, practice till you're completely confident that you've got it, and then move on. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.